Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on a tablet. Since The Sims 4 is designed for personal computers and consoles, it isn't directly available on tablet operating systems. The only effective way to enjoy this game on your tablet is by streaming it from your personal computer. This process involves using a dedicated application to mirror your computer's display onto your tablet screen, allowing you to control the game remotely. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite simulation game anywhere in your home. To get started, you'll need a personal computer that can comfortably run The Sims 4. Next, download a streaming application such as Steam Link or Parsec onto both your computer and your tablet. These applications create a bridge between your devices. It's also vital that both your computer and tablet are connected to the same local network. For the best experience, a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally operating on the 5 GHz band, is highly recommended to minimize lag. Once your applications are installed, the streaming process is straightforward. First, launch the streaming software on your personal computer. Then, open the same application on your tablet and select your computer from the list of available devices to establish a connection. After connecting, you can navigate through your computer's interface directly on your tablet. Find The Sims 4 and launch it. You can then use your tablet's touchscreen or, for a more traditional feel, connect a Bluetooth controller for precise gameplay. To ensure the smoothest possible gameplay, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Before streaming, close any unnecessary applications running on your personal computer to free up valuable resources. Within your streaming application, experiment with the quality settings. Sometimes a slightly lower resolution can significantly improve performance. For the most stable connection, consider connecting your personal computer directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. Finally, make sure your tablet has ample battery life or is plugged in, so your game isn't interrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.